welcome back. So today I wanted to talk to you about how to create a productive environment. So in my last video I talked about ways that you can achieve your goals, and so this one is kind of going along the same lines and helping us to create a productive environment so that we can reach those goals. So the first way that we can create a productive environment for ourselves is to open up those windows. Draw those shades, open up those blinds, and get that natural light shining on you. It's going to make such a huge difference. Natural light reduces stress and drowsiness. It reduces levels of anxiety. Having adequate lighting is associated with feelings of elation, whereas dark lighting actually induces depression. And I know that I have definitely felt this myself. Every time I come home and the blinds are closed, I open them straight away because I think so much more clearly when the windows are open, when I have natural light shining in. It just makes me feel a lot happier and makes me feel more productive. Another thing that you can do to help yourself create a productive environment is to use essential oils. And I think that a lot of people kind of underestimate the power of essential oils, but our smell is actually one of our most powerful senses. Some really good essential oils that you can use that actually help productivity and boost your mood are citrus. Rosemary is another good one. Green tea is great. Peppermint. All of those ones have different properties that are going to help you in different ways, boost your mood, cause you to become happier, make you feel more focused and productive and motivated throughout the day. One of the most powerful things that you can do to create a productive environment for yourself is to clean. Having a messy room and workspace just naturally makes you feel flustered. Having all of that clutter around keeps you very disorganized, it makes you distracted, and it's very easy for you to lose focus. And actually, having a messy room has been proven to aid in and to cause depression. So it is very important that if you want to be successful, if you want to be productive and motivated, that your environment around you is also reflecting that. Because when you have a messy environment, it's going to make you feel sluggish, it's going to make you feel disorganized, it's going to make you feel unmotivated, and it's going to be very easy for you to just feel lethargic and lazy. Whereas if you take the time to keep your place clean, to keep your workspace clean, you're going to find that you're more focused on your tasks. You're going to find that just cleaning in itself is good for your mind. It's going to make you feel productive in the first place. It's going to make you feel accomplished for doing something. And it's just going to keep your mind clear and focused on all the tasks that you have to do so that you can get them done. Going along with that, making your bed. This is something that it takes like 2 minutes. I made my bed this morning and I timed it because I was filming. It literally took me 2 minutes to make my bed, but what a huge difference that makes. Making your bed, it can actually help you with your self-esteem, because when you make your bed in the morning, you're starting your day off right. That's gonna make you feel proud and accomplished in itself. It's going to cause you to feel happier, and just having made your bed, the little time that it takes, it makes you start your day off on a productive note, which is just going to make you want to keep up your productivity throughout the day. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked this video. I know it was very short, sweet, and to the point, but that's just kind of what I was feeling today. I hope that you guys found some of these tips helpful, maybe shine some light on some new ideas if you've been struggling with... It's like my animals know when I'm filming and they just want to make all the noise and do all the things to ruin it. Armani, what are you doing? So hopefully I was able to give you guys some good ideas on how to create your own productive environment at home. Honestly, these things are really simple. They only take a few minutes out of your day and you're going to notice such a huge difference in your motivation and your productivity. Even though these things seem pretty minor, pretty small, you're really going to notice a change in your energy, a change in your mood, and I think that these tips will really help you in staying productive throughout the day. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me so that I know to keep pushing out more of this kind of content, and turn on those notifications, that way you don't miss any more of these videos. These dogs are shaking my camera. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a really beautiful day. I will see you guys next week on my next video that will be out on Wednesday. Bye!